Hello, beautiful people. I got this comment on one of my previous videos where someone asked me that how do we manifest something that we don't deserve? Which is such an interesting take because sometimes we find something hard to manifest or someone hard to manifest because deep down we feel like we don't deserve it, which is such BS because you deserve everything good in the world and you know that. But you feel like, oh, I don't deserve this. I haven't worked hard for this. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to manifest things or people that you think that you don't deserve. If you're new here, I'm Neha, aka your guardian angel, and I'm here to remove all the blocks between you and your desires because the blocks are not real, they're just in your mind, and I'm going to remove them anyways. So the first thing is to decide what you want to manifest, okay? So for this video, take example of one thing. Think of one thing that you want to manifest or one person that you want to manifest and follow this video along. You'll understand this even better. Be honest with yourself and ask yourself, why do you think you don't deserve this thing or this person? Why do you think you don't deserve this? Like, why? What do you have to do to get this thing? Okay, I'll just give my example because I felt this seriously. When I was manifesting money, I had this belief in my mind that I didn't deserve money because I was not working hard for it. Because in my mind, only hard work gets money. Like you have to work hard in order to get money. You have to work really, really hard in order to get money. And what I was doing is I was making YouTube videos and I was taking client calls, like I was giving one on one coaching. And I love coaching people. I love guiding people whenever they are manifesting something for themselves. I love filming YouTube videos even. So this doesn't feel like work. Like I could do this for hours, I could do this all day, but I would feel like, oh, this is not work. This is not hard work because this is something that I love to do. So it just didn't feel like hard work. And that's why I was telling myself, this is not hard work. That means I'm not going to get money out of it. So these two things were linked. I got this information by being honest to myself. I was like, why do you think you don't deserve money? And I was like, because I'm not working hard for it. I have to work hard for it. How would I get money otherwise? So I played it in other way. This brings to my next step is that you tell yourself that you're doing this. You tell yourself that you're doing this even if you are not. For example, for me, hard work and money was related. So whenever I would shoot a video, I would tell myself, oh my God, I'm working so hard. I didn't believe in it, but I would tell myself that over and over again. I would think it in my mind. So I would be like, oh my God, I'm working so hard. And whenever I'm editing a video, I would be like, wow, I'm working so hard. Like whatever I'll do, I'll set up the camera and I would say, oh my God, I'm working so hard. I would just click off talking to a client after for 1 hour, and I would say, oh my God, I worked so hard. I gave this person such amazing, beautiful tips. Like I'm working so hard, right? So, and it's not hard work for me because I understand manifestation and I've helped so many people that right now it's just like muscle memory. I just do it. It's not hard work for me. But still, I told myself that, oh my God, I'm working hard. This is hard work. I'm working hard. I'm working hard. I'm working hard. So I tricked my subconscious mind into thinking, like, I'm working hard. That means I deserve money. So my business started booming. I would start getting money. My videos started going viral on YouTube, even. So I started getting money from YouTube. I started getting money from my business. I started getting money from everywhere, really. Like, I remember I manifested some unexpected money in my bank account after that. Like, I don't even know where this money even came from, but I got it because I was telling myself that, oh, I'm working so hard, hence I would get money. But to get to this point, I had to be honest with myself. I was like, why don't I deserve money? Because I'm not working hard. And the same thing is with manifesting love. I was like, that's just so funny to me right now. But when I asked myself that, why am I not attracting love? Why am I not manifesting love? So one thing I got is like, because I'm not successful yet. So in my head, I was like, I have to be successful first in order to attract a good partner, in order to attract love. So I was like, wow, okay, fine. I have to be successful first. And at that point, I was not that successful. So I started telling myself that, wow, I'm just so successful. I'm just so successful. I'm just so successful. And after that, Lo and behold, I manifested a person. Obviously, that's how it happens. You just have to trick your mind like that. Ask yourself this one question: why do you think you don't deserve this? Why do you think you don't deserve this? Be honest with yourself and it will come to you. All right. Is there something else? Yeah, for manifesting glow up, like if you are a real one and you have been watching my videos for 1 year, you know that 1 year ago I had like short hair and I was not looking that good as I'm looking right now. And it just like my whole physical appearance was something else. And I have manifested a lot of physical glow ups in front of you. Like you can see the difference in the YouTube videos in every month. Okay, I'm getting better and better, I'm getting prettier and prettier. So I asked myself, I was like, why do you think you don't deserve to be beautiful, to be like effortlessly beautiful, to be gorgeous, to be stunning? Answer I got blew my mind. The answer I got was, if I am pretty, I won't have any friends. Like, I'm allowed to be pretty, but I'm not allowed to be gorgeous. I'm not allowed to be stunning. Because if I'm like that, I would have no friends. Because I met some girls who were like kind of insecure and they just would get weird whenever I was dressed up and I was looking pretty. So it just got in my mind, right? So so in my mind it was like, if I look gorgeous, I would have no friends, so I will be alone. So I cannot be beautiful, otherwise I will be alone. Yeah, so that was like a real fear that I had. And this is serious business. I told myself that attract good friends and they love how I look. All my friends love how I look. All my friends love how pretty I am. All my friends love how pretty I am. They love it. They love it. They love me for me. All those things. Like, I kept repeating that they love that I'm pretty. My friends love that I'm pretty. My friends love that I'm beautiful. My friends love it. My friends love that I'm pretty. All those things. Like, I kept repeating. You can call it affirmation even. I kept affirming over and over again. I didn't believe in it at first because I was seeing the opposite results in my life. So obviously I didn't believe in it. But I still kept affirming and affirming and affirming. I kept telling myself over and over and over again that, oh, my friends love that I'm pretty. My friends love that I'm beautiful. So I started getting comfortable with being pretty. I felt safe with being pretty. I felt safe with being gorgeous more and more and more with time. And because of that, I started getting even more beautiful. I make subliminals, so I listen to them obviously. And I have so many glow up subliminals free on my channel. You can go check them out. I listen to subliminals as well, but I had to give myself permission to be beautiful first. You have to give yourself permission to have this thing. You need to understand that even if you think that you don't deserve it, you can still manifest it actually, by using this trick, by tricking your subconscious mind like that. The only step that you have to be so sure about is be honest with yourself. Be honest. I'm being honest, like literally on camera, in front of thousands of people. I am being honest right now that, yeah, I had all these beliefs. I had these beliefs, and that's okay. There's nothing to be ashamed about. Okay, be honest with yourself and play with that, and then create your affirmation like that. For example, I was like, if I don't work hard, I won't get money. If I work hard, I will get money. So I started telling myself, I'm working hard. I'm not successful, I won't attract love. So I started telling myself, I'm successful. Easy peasy like that. If I look gorgeous, I would have no friends and then I would be alone. So I started telling myself that my friends actually like how beautiful I am. So obviously, that's done. That's done, right? So that's how you trick your mind like this, trick your subconscious mind like this. And your subconscious mind is like, it's not like you just say it once and it's done. You have to repeat it. You have to repeat. Your subconscious mind is like a baby. A baby would not learn a new word in one time. If you just say, oh, say mama, the baby would not say it one day. You have to repeat it every day. You have to repeat it over and over again, and then the baby would say it. Boom. Mama. Right? Your subconscious mind is like that. So you have to repeat, and do not give up. Okay? Do not give up. Oh my god, this is like such a golden technique, you guys. You can use this mindset technique, this mindset tip with anything. Anything or anyone you feel like, I don't deserve this, use this. use this. Be honest with yourself and then make an affirmation about it and repeat, 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 and boom, it works so fast. It works so fast. It's like I was just trying to attract some money and I got so much. A video went viral, something happened, and I got unexpected money. And it just like I was just manifesting some money, and it just I started getting even more. And that's how it happens. I was manifesting one person and I started getting messages from so many people. I started getting so many compliments while I was walking on the street from strangers. So that's how it happens. Like, be be warned, be careful, because this works. And this works like very fast, and this works in a very big way, right? You attract little money, you'll get even more. You attract one person, everyone would get obsessed with you. You're attracting a little bit of glow up, you'd get your dream body, you'd get your dream hair. Everything would happen all at once because you're working on the root cause. You're working on the root cause, okay? You're trying to grow a tree, you have to pay attention to the roots. If the roots are decaying, the tree won't grow. But if you work on the roots, yeah, so work on the root cause. Be honest with yourself. And if you want to work with me, I have one-on-one coaching options below. I'm also coming up with a reality shift program, which is so amazing. You can get all the details, first link in the description box. And that's it. I love you guys so much. Sending you hugs. You deserve all the good things in your life. And even if you think you don't deserve it, you can still manifest it. It is possible. Happy manifesting.